Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 crashes and reduce them to the max. Now for this tutorial you won't need any third-party app, so you don't need to install any app or do any complicated manipulations. You will just need to follow me through a few simple steps. Now on this computer I don't have Battlefield 6 installed, but I still have League of Legends, and it's basically the same steps for the two. So here, just go to your game. Either you have it on your desktop or just you can go search for it here. So League of Legends, or for your case, just type Battlefield. So here, right click and then go into the properties and then go to compatibility. Here, go to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, so leave it as it is, and then click on disable full screen optimizations and run the program as an administrator. Click on change settings for all users, click on apply, and then click on OK. Now that you have done this, you can go to the search bar here and then search for graphics settings. So graphics settings here. Okay, so here once you have opened the graphics settings, you should find Battlefield 6 in the left, but if you don't find it, you can still just go browse the files and search for it. So click on it and then here go to options, and here you will find three options. Either you let Windows decide of the graphics performance for this specific app, or you want it to be in power saving mode or in high performance mode. Click on high performance, click on save, and then restart your computer, and you should be good. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This will reduce the crashes to the max. So if it helped you, don't forget to subscribe and put a like in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.